Tesla has largely addressed these issues with over-the-air software updates. Version 2025.12.4, released in late 2025, specifically targets idle power management bugs. This update improves the car's ability to enter sleep mode, reducing phantom power drains. Tesla reports a 90% reduction in complaints since 2024 due to enhanced firmware stability. However, older models pre-2023 may still experience issues. Keep your software updated to benefit from these fixes. Before diving into more complex solutions, try these simple steps. First, use the power off command in the Tesla mobile app. If that doesn't work, perform a hard reset by holding down both the brake pedal and the steering wheel buttons, or power button, for about 10 seconds until the Tesla logo appears on the screen. This can often clear minor software glitches that are preventing a full shutdown. Model 3's failure to power down can stem from either software glitches or hardware malfunctions. Software issues were particularly prevalent in earlier versions, such as the V10X series, where bugs in the power management code prevented proper shutdown sequences. Software bugs in early firmware versions, particularly the V10X series, were a major culprit, causing the system to fail in executing the shutdown protocol. Third-party applications or aftermarket modifications can also interfere, sending conflicting signals to the power management system. On the hardware side, a failing 12-volt auxiliary battery can lead to voltage drops that prevent proper shutdown. Degraded main battery modules may cause irregularities in power distribution, while a faulty high-voltage contactor might fail to disconnect the battery as intended. Distinguishing between software and hardware causes is crucial, as it guides the troubleshooting approach, whether to apply an over-the-air update or schedule a service visit for component inspection. If the basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the power down issue, check the touchscreen for error codes that can provide clues about what's wrong. If problems persist after seeing an error code, Tesla's diagnostic tools can run comprehensive checks to identify the exact cause of the issue. These diagnostic tools often reveal the need for specific repairs, such as replacing the high-voltage contactor that manages power flow, or performing firmware flashes to update the vehicle's software. When diagnostics point to issues beyond basic troubleshooting, it's time to contact Tesla support or schedule a service appointment. Professional technicians can properly diagnose and fix the underlying causes of persistent power down problems. If software updates don't resolve the power down issue, the problem likely lies in the vehicle's hardware components. A common hardware cause is a faulty 12-volt auxiliary battery. This smaller battery powers the vehicle's electronics and can weaken over time. Test its voltage with a multimeter. It should read around 12.6 volts or higher when fully charged. If it's weak, consider replacing the battery. Another potential issue is with the high-voltage contactor, which is responsible for disconnecting the main battery during shutdown. If this component fails, it can prevent the vehicle from fully powering down. Tesla Diagnostics can identify contactor faults, often requiring replacement by a service center. Salt corrosion on battery terminals can also cause false shutdowns by creating poor electrical connections. This is especially common in coastal areas where road salt is used. Clean the terminals thoroughly or replace corroded components to restore proper function. Online forums like Reddit's r/Tesla Motors provide valuable insights from Tesla owners. Many users have reported similar power down issues and found solutions through software updates or simple resets. Some have identified specific third-party apps causing problems. Sharing your experience and learning from others in the community can provide helpful troubleshooting tips. Note that a 2023 Reddit community case showed a Tesla OTA update v2023.6.1 was able to resolve this issue.